Today on Cassidys Craveable Creations, we're making a vanilla keto buttercream frosting. It's creamy, rich, melts in your mouth, and is sturdy enough for piping and designs. So we're going to start by creaming together some room temperature butter or non-dairy butter with some cream cheese. You may be wondering why there's cream cheese in a buttercream frosting recipe. And this is because even though we're going to be using a monk fruit allulose blend, which dissolves better than any other keto sweetener around, it can still be really slightly grainy in frostings. And so we're adding the cream cheese to take care of this texture issue. But there's not so much cream cheese that it tastes like a cream cheese frosting. There's just enough to help with the texture and still have that nice buttercream flavor shine through. Okay, so we're going to beat the butter and the cream cheese together until it's nice and fluffy and well combined. So now it's nice and mixed, well combined. We're going to add the sweetener, and as I mentioned earlier, we're using a powdered monk fruit allulose sweetener because out of all the keto sweeteners, this is what dissolves the best and is the smoothest. While you could use an erythritol-based sweetener, even with the cream cheese, it can sometimes leave a little bit of a grainy texture. So we'll add the sweetener, some pure vanilla, get that good vanilla, pure vanilla taste, and we're going to add just a little bit of cream. You can use heavy cream, coconut cream, or just non-dairy milk if you prefer. And I forgot to mention earlier that to make this entire recipe dairy-free, you can use the non-dairy milk, non-dairy butter, and I've tested this with Daiya cream cheese, and it works really well, except it has a slightly stronger cream cheese taste, and you'll have to add just a little bit more powdered sweetener. So let's mix this together. Ooh, wow, this looks delicious.
That's great.
You want to add a pinch of sea salt? So we used unsalted butter, and I love salt in my frostings. Okay, you ready to try it?
Yep.
Okay, or you want to just eat off this? Or you want to get a spoon?
I want to eat off. I love these things.
I do too. Oh. Oh, you're just going to, okay.
What do you want me to do?
I was going to do this.
Oh, because
Oh,
it looks more respectable.
I guess so.
Either way, this is awesome.
So good. It's perfect on top of a vanilla cake or chocolate cake or carrot cake. I'll put the links to all my favorite cakes below that this will be perfect on.
Be sure and like us.